Here's something which hopefully you'll find as interesting as I did and shocking as I did when I first heard it. One of the earliest investors into my hedge fund, without whom I couldn't have launched it, was one evening talking to me, and I said to him, because he was about 25 years older than me, I said, so what's your secret? Now, you've got to remember, this guy's worth hundreds of millions, and obviously that's the question you want to ask. What was the secret to your success? Is there's one thing I can do when I'm launching this hedge fund, what advice would you give me? And remember, this is going back 15 years now when I first launched it. And he said something which really surprised me, which was, he said, you know, for me, it was always hiring people cleverer than myself. The reason that shocked me was I thought a man of such success would have a huge ego and would want to control everything, would think he's always the cleverest person in the room. Wasn't the case. And ever since that day, whatever the aspect is that I'm hiring somebody for, I always try and hire people who are better than me at that job. They might not be better than me at the core aspect of my work, but at the other various bits, better than me. And I realized ego is irrelevant to that. Absolutely irrelevant. In fact, it would get in the way of success. That was a critical factor of success for me. And I learned it from one of my investors. Hope you like that.